What is my lymphatic system? The lymphatic system is a vital part of the immune system, protecting you against infection and disease. The lymphatic system is a network of lymph nodes connected by lymphatic vessels. This system transports a fluid called lymph throughout the body. Lymph contains many substances, such as infection-fighting white blood cells, proteins, minerals, and nutrients. But it also contains damaged cells, cancer cells, and foreign substances, such as bacteria and viruses. The lymph is transported by lymphatic vessels to lymph nodes, where damaged cells, cancer cells, and foreign substances are filtered out and destroyed. Lymph nodes contain a mesh of tissue that is packed with specialized white blood cells designed to engulf and destroy harmful microorganisms to provide protection against the spread of infection and cancer. Think of your lymphatic system as a network of highways with several police checkpoints, your lymph nodes. Your lymph cars travel along these highways throughout your body. Offending cars, like bacteria, cancer cells, are pulled over at these checkpoints and taken away by the police, your white blood cells. How does my lymphatic system work? Unlike the cardiovascular system that has a dedicated pump in the form of your heart, the lymphatic system has no central pump. Lymph moves slowly. It is the contraction of muscles that squeeze the lymphatic vessels, creating lymphatic circulation. Your body is designed to move in order to enhance your immune system. If you don't move or contract your muscles, there will be poor lymphatic circulation. What can I do to keep my lymphatic system healthy? Maintaining a healthy lymphatic system is important to prevent illness and to keep other important body systems functioning. Drink plenty of water. Eat a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables that provide a full range of nutrients. Avoid pollutants, toxic substances, and unhealthy environments. Exercise daily.